Shelly's Homemade, and today, guys, we're going to be making some salmon patties. So for that, you're going to need 2 cans of pink salmon. I have some red bell peppers, which is a tablespoon of red bell peppers, a tablespoon of green, a tablespoon and a half of onion, 2 tablespoons of celery, finely chopped. Make sure everything is finely chopped, guys. I have a half a cup of mayo. I have 2 tablespoons of Dijon Mustard. You can use yellow if you don't have Dijon, that's fine. Shelly's house seasoning, salt, pepper, seasonal, garlic, onion powder. I have some panko breadcrumbs, but any kind of breadcrumbs you have will do. The Italian style seasoned ones, regular breadcrumbs will work. I have some parsley flakes, just for color, or pop of color, and I have some Old Bay seasoning. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, can't forget, I have 2 eggs in my bowl already cracked, waiting for me. Alright, so we have that. So this is like one of those dump and go things. So once you got all your ingredients together, chopped and everything, so you just start adding it. There's no wrong or right way to do this. You just do it. Dump all your veggies in there. Yeah, I'm gonna add my mustard right in there. Just like that. Alright. And if you've been watching my video, y'all know I like to get all of it out of the bowls and container. You know, I like to use my little spatulas to do so. So let's get that in there. And we have 2 cans, so this is enough for 2 cans. A half a cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of mustard. Let's get our breadcrumbs in. And we're going to use about a cup of these breadcrumbs. Yeah, a half a cup per can. Yeah. Get in here our parsley flakes. So a couple tablespoons of parsley flakes. Well, shake it until your, you know, ancestors tell you to stop. That's the saying now, huh? Alright. That in there. Let's get some Old Bay in. So like a tablespoon and a half will do you. You don't want to put too much, it's salty. But you want that flavor. We have Shelly's house seasoning, a couple tablespoons of that. That will work. And get some minced garlic. It's like a teaspoon of minced garlic. If you don't have this one, just get some fresh. Because I run out of this stuff. It goes so fast for me. So like a teaspoon of that. And what we're going to do is just mix it together. Just like this. That egg, that mayonnaise, all the seasoning, everything. We're going to bring this together. We're going to have beautiful salmon cakes. Alright? So just mix that together really well. You want that egg incorporated in here really well. Your salmon cake, your salmon, pink salmon, right in there. Now I drained the can, but I guess some more juice got out. Now if you want to, you can just go ahead and take the bone out. But the bone, I promise you, the bone is so soft, you're not even going to taste it. Alright, I'm going to add the other can. Not even going to know it's in there, I promise. But you can take it out if you like. See, it's so soft, I can just, it falls apart with my spatula. So once we cook this up, and it all comes together, you know, you're not even gonna taste the bone, you're not gonna see it, nothing. There's not a lot of filling. You're gonna get mostly salmon. You're not gonna see the filling. Get in there with your spatula, chop it up a little bit. But you can take that bone out if you want. Now, if the bone makes you nervous, go ahead and take it out. But it's so soft. It's like eating that Trinidad fish soup. The bone is in there, but it's so soft, and you don't even know it. I have a friend who's from Trinidad, and his mom used to make this delicious fish soup, and she would leave the head on, and I was nervous to eat it at first because I had the head on, and I had never had fish with the head on it before, and I ate that. Oh man, they was in there sucking on the teeth. I was like, what? And she was like, try the cheek, try the cheek. I ate the cheek. Oh, this is delicious. I'm not gonna lie, it was flavorful. Very flavorful. Never got that recipe, but yeah, I only ate it when she made it though. So. Alright. This is done. And it all came together in no time. So let's move over to the stove and fry up these beautiful, beautiful salmon cakes. Alright guys, so first we're going to take a handful of this and we're going to form it into a patty. And we're going to get them just smooth out. Just form it into a patty, like so. How big you want it. These are like medium. Just get them right in the grease. And I'm using vegetable oil. You can use peanut oil, avocado oil. I would not suggest you use olive oil or anything like that. You want a high smoke content type of oil to fry in. Some fried oil. So I'm going to fry up 2 of these. Well, maybe let's do 3. Let's do 3. Ow. I'm getting popped, guys. I'm getting popped. It's free. But it makes 8 good size salmon patties, guys. Alright, so we're going to let these fry up. And when we come back, I'll show you the finished product. Alright, let's flip these beautiful patties. Or cakes. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So wonderful. Oh, I'm going to flip it up against. Yeah. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Now look at these beautiful salmon cakes, guys. Look at them. They are absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful on the other side. See? Absolutely beautiful. You know what you could do? You could put these in the air fryer after you patted them up. They would be absolutely delicious. You could kill the grease and not use them, and just put these 3 beautiful, beautiful salmon cakes in the oven. Now, they are absolutely ridiculously hot. I was burning my fingers flipping them for you guys so you could see how they looked on every side. So, like, share, and subscribe, guys. And as always, have a... Oh, wait a minute. You know what? Before I do that, let you see the inside of these beautiful, beautiful things. I'm gonna cut one in half. Cut this one in half. Look. Look at that. See that, guys? And the steam is coming from them. They are hot, hot, hot. So like, share, and subscribe, guys. And as always, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.